Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. So we have did this add model thing and also the closing also is working fine. So what we will try to do is this time. So we will try to when the page reloads. Okay, when the page reloads, automatically we need to fetch the details. Let's try to do that one. So here I will be going to the app.js. This is our app.js. And here so get button is there, right? So this one is when I click on this get button only we will be able to get the details, but this time what I need to do is when I refresh the page automatically without pressing on this get button I need to load these all details. So how we can do it, let's try to see. So now for doing that one, what I will be doing is when this DOM is loaded, so when this DOM page is loaded automatically I need to fetch the details. For that one what I can do is, so that means there will be no get button, and this one also there will be no nothing, and also this post put delete also it will not be there. We'll remove these all the things. So these all buttons I am removing. Okay, I will keep a comment on these all the things, post, put, and also delete. I will keep a comment on this. Okay, done. Let's go here. What I will do is, so here document dot, sorry, window dot add event listener of click, and here I will be writing the code. So when this not this click, DOM content loaded. So when this DOM content is loaded, what I want to do is, so here when this DOM content is loaded, I will want to fetch the post. That's it. So now if I try to refresh this page, see, when we refresh this page, automatically the details will be loading. So here if you want, you can also add the background color for the TD elements. I can take only the TD elements and I can apply a background color of like this. So much I can add something like this. Oh, it's too dark, right? So we need to go a little bit darker. Yeah, let's make it a little bit lighter. Enough. So we are able to do this one. Now when I click on this add post, now it's time for us to do this one also. So let's go into this app.js, sorry, in the index.html, and we have this add model, right? So when this add model is submitted, so we need to do this one. So okay, fine. So we can go to here, constant add model is equal to document dot get element by id of this add model. So we got this add model, and here I can write add model dot add event listener of submit. So we are writing submit. So because of this event propagation, it will go to the form also. So there is no need to worry. And here I will be taking this event, and here we will be doing this event at prevent default for preventing the form to submit, and we need to get the title and description. Okay, let's go here. We have this one, right? So here I can keep id is equal to title, id is equal to title, and also text area id is equal to description. So here we will be adding id is equal to description also. Fine, let's go to the app.js, and in this one what I will try to do is, so here constant title is equal to document dot get element by id of this title and dot value. So I will try to take the value, and another one is constant description is equal to document dot get element by id of description dot value. So I got these two values, and here what I can do is let single post is equal to, so we need to prepare the statement title and the description. Okay, we got this one single post object, and here we are having this fetch of post, right? So I can capture this URL thing. So here I can do it, and this fetch Ajax library also we need to catch it. So here I can prepare it and I can remove this post button. So there is no need for us. So we have changed it, right? So this is our add model thing. Okay. So single post, we need to pass it here. That's it. If I try to refresh this page and I click on the add post, and if I try to submit and click on the add post, so now somehow we are able to see that request has been made. I don't know. Let's see in the network thing. So here I will be doing again. So we are able to see that request has been made, but this modal pop-up is not closing. So we need to close the modal pop-up. If I try to go here, so we are able to see that data has been added. For closing this one, so we can add a method close modal dialogs. Okay. Now if I try to go here and if I try to press add post and I will try to submit here and click on add post, see, we are able to close the model and also we are able to see the data populated. So that means successfully we have completed this add post. Now if I click on the add post again, we are able to see these all the details which we have given previously pre-populating. So for that one, what we can do is, so we can do document dot get element by id of title dot value is equal to empty, and also the same thing you can give the description also empty. So that's it. So if I try to see the output add post and try to add some details and click here, so we are able to add the details, and if I click on add post again, so this one is not pre-populating. That's it. So we have successfully completed this add post request also. So the remaining thing, what is remaining is the update and the delete. So what I will try to do is I will try to add the update and delete buttons here. So let's try to add it here. So we'll do is, so here I am having this one, right? So here I will add cd button update, and we can have another one also. Sorry. Yeah, here I can add another one delete. That's it. So we are having two buttons, update and delete, and we'll do this one also. And here we can have this th, sorry, this th as an action. Okay. So now this is the things, actions or anything we can do. So now when I click on this update, I need to open the admin, what I can say, update modal pop-up. Here we are already opening this one, right? In the same scenario, we need to open this update modal pop-up. I need to open, and delete means obviously it will be simple. We need to delete directly this, what I can say, that ID. So this is how we have did this one. So you can do on your own this update thing and delete one if you are aware of this one, if you are able to do it, or otherwise in the next video we'll try to complete that update and delete also. So by that our simple project will be finished. So hope you understood about this add post and all the things. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.